Blogging has evolved into a multifaceted realm where content creation isn't just about writing articles or posting reviews anymore. Offering free PDFs and graphics with your content can boost your blog's appeal, attracting and retaining audiences, and boosting commissions in today's digital landscape. The allure of freebies lies in their ability to provide immediate value to readers. While content blogging and reviews are undoubtedly valuable, supplementing them with downloadable resources adds another layer of engagement and utility. PDF guides, cheat sheets, templates, or high-quality graphics related to your niche can serve as valuable resources that readers appreciate and find useful. By offering these freebies, you establish yourself as an authority in your field, fostering trust and loyalty among your audience. Moreover, freebies can act as powerful lead magnets, enticing visitors to subscribe to your email list or follow your blog for future updates. This allows you to build a dedicated community of followers who are genuinely interested in your content, creating opportunities for deeper engagement and conversion. From a monetization perspective, strategically integrating affiliate links or sponsored content within your freebies can generate additional income streams. As your audience grows, so does the potential for earning commissions through affiliate marketing or partnerships with brands relevant to your niche. In essence, incorporating freebies into your blogging strategy offers a win-win scenario. Readers benefit from valuable resources while you cultivate a loyal audience, expand your reach, and increase revenue opportunities. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, embracing innovative approaches like freebies can set your blog apart and propel its growth in a competitive online environment.